Hi everyone, welcome to my channel again. So today's recipe is veg pizza. I know there are so many people out there who are very health conscious, who does not prefer eating outside and junk stuffs, but still somewhere they love pizza. So let's make this pizza at home and we will make it a little healthy so that you don't feel guilty about it. And also do watch this video till the end so that you don't miss any steps to make this kind of pizza. So let's get started.
So here I have taken 1 cup of wheat flour, to which I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of baking powder, pinch of salt, half teaspoon of Mishri powder or stone sugar. You can add normal sugar if you do not have Mishri powder. Now to make a dough, I have taken 1/4 cup of curd, and also I have added little water to it to make a soft dough. It has to be a sticky dough. Once done, add few drops of olive oil or any oil of your choice and make a smooth dough. Keep it aside for 10 minutes. In the pan, add very little oil. This is just to fry our paneer. Fry until it is slightly golden. Make sure do not fry it completely, as it will further get baked when you put this pizza in the baking kadai or pan. Here I have kept a heavy pan on the stove. Also I have spread some salt in the pan. Place the ring inside and close the lid and keep it for 10 minutes for preheating. Till this gets preheated, let's make our pizza. Spread some wheat flour on the surface. Put the dough on top and keep pressing, get it to a pizza shape. You can also roll it with a roti roller. Transfer this on the pizza tray and just poke it with the fork. Now spread some pizza sauce and ketchup. If you do not have pizza sauce, I have provided pizza sauce recipe in the description box. Here I have taken ready-made pizza sauce. Now spread some mozzarella cheese and processed cheese. Place toppings of your choice. Here I have taken paneer cubes, capsicum, onion and tomato. Now add some more processed cheese over it. I had also sprinkled a little salt and pepper over it. This pan has been preheating for 10 minutes now. I will place the pizza inside the pan. Put the lid and let it bake for 10 minutes on high flame. Just be careful, it should not get over baked, so check after 6 to 7 minutes if it is baked or not, because it depends on the vessel you are using and also on the stove. This is my second pizza. I have also applied little oil to the sides of the pizza. Now after 7 minutes, we'll open the lid and check how it is looking. So here I'm keeping this for another 2-3 minutes. So look at this. This is our first pizza ready, and I'm placing my second pizza plate. So look at this, how yummy it looks. Sprinkle some herbs, oregano and chili flakes over your pizza and cut it into 4 pieces. Another thing I want to share is you can also try baking pizza base first in the tawa for a minute and let it cool down and use this base for making pizza. This is because sometimes it happens where topping gets baked, cheese gets melted, but base does not get baked completely. This happens sometimes because of the kind of vessel we are using and also on the flame. So here comes my second pizza plate as well. Look at this, how this mozzarella cheese has melted just right. And you can see these threads. It means it is baked properly. If you overbake it, you won't get this kind of thread. So I hope you liked the video today. If you have liked it, please do share it with all and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my future videos. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.